Imagine leaving your car in the woods for just a few years and coming back to find it completely swallowed by nature. That is exactly what we found today. Deep in the overgrown bushes, buried under layers of dirt, leaves, and thick mud, was this luxury Chrysler 300C. At first glance, it looked like a total loss. The interior was a disaster zone, and the paint was completely hidden. But we didn't see a wreck. We saw a hidden gem. So we loaded it up and brought it back to the shop to see if we could bring this beast back to life. The first step wasn't just a wash, it was an excavation. This wasn't normal dirt, it was basically a layer of earth. We started with the pressure washer, blasting away years of accumulated mud. Watching those thick chunks of dirt peel off was incredibly satisfying. But the inside was even worse. The floor was filled with wet mud, grass, and debris. Before we could even think about detailing, we had to manually scrape and shovel out the bulk of the mess. The amount of nature that had moved into this car was unbelievable. But a simple wash wasn't going to cut it. To truly restore this car, we had to go deep. We started the complete teardown. We unbolted the heavy leather seats and dragged them out. Then came the center console, the dashboard panels, and the door cards. Every single piece of the interior had to be removed. Why? Because dirt and moisture hide in the deepest corners. If we didn't remove everything, the car would eventually rot from the inside out. Once stripped, the bare metal floor was finally exposed, and the real work could begin. With the interior completely bare, we broke out the heavy-duty foam and brushes. We scrubbed every inch of the floor pans, the trunk, and the wiring harnesses. The pressure washer washed away the soap, revealing the clean, black metal underneath. Next, we moved to the engine bay. The Hemi V8 engine was completely caked in dried mud. We foamed it up, used detailing brushes to get into every nook and cranny, and then rinsed it clean. After a quick blow-dry, the engine looked better than it probably did when it was brand new. Now for the most satisfying part of the entire video, the exterior wash. We covered the whole car in a thick layer of snow foam. As we rinsed it off, the mud washed away to reveal a stunning, deep red paint job. We also took the time to meticulously clean the wheels and the chrome trim. Seeing that bright red color pop out from under the yellow mud was pure magic. The car was finally starting to look like the luxury vehicle it was meant to be. While the car was drying, we tackled the mountain of parts we had removed earlier. The seats, door panels, and plastic trims were all caked in grime. We covered them in foam and aggressively scrubbed every stitch of the leather and every groove in the plastic. Rinsing them off was so satisfying. Seeing these muddy, ruined parts turn back into showroom quality pieces proved that nothing was beyond saving. Every single component was now spotless and ready to go back in. The cleaning was done, but the puzzle wasn't finished. It was time for reassembly. We carefully reinstalled the spotless interior, bolted down the seats, reconnected the wiring, and snapped the dashboard and steering wheel back into place. Every screw and every panel was put back perfectly. Finally, the moment of truth. We turned the key, and the Hemi V8 roared to life. From an abandoned jungle wreck to a gleaming red luxury car. This transformation was absolutely worth it. If you enjoyed this satisfying journey, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and let us know what we should restore